How to create Spotify artist account. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your browser and then search for Spotify artist. Go to Spotify for artists and then you just have to create your account here. You can also write like this and log into your account, Spotify account, and you will be able to create your Spotify artist profile from here. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.